What did Blakey G?
Hey, what up, little hoe?
Just being a little hoe. I done heard dat you is the freshest cat on the block.
Well, hell yeah, I am, bitch. Don't you know who be slanging these bitch ass hoes around here?
Damn, you smell like some dank.
Well, you know how we do it in the 937. If you'd owned, then you best be learning quick. You dumbass hoe.
Yeah. We stay repping that Sidney, Ohio.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. I can smell your stankin' ass breath from here.